Tommy here from Green Rhino. On my way out to my first job for the day. Beautiful day.
Take the next right onto Union Road.
Being assisted by Google Maps, as you can tell. So anyway, beautiful day.
Continue on Union Road for half a mile.
2 large living rooms and a hallway. Not sure on the condition at all, but we'll see when we get there. Stay tuned. Okay, I remember now. It is a repeat customer. I just don't remember the place, but yeah, she called me last week and seen if I was still working. I said yes, and so here we go. Yeah, we're out in the country, as you can tell. This is Paso Robles, California, by the way, folks. Alright, so it's just those 2 large areas in the hallway. The one area, the pet, really did its things all over the place. A little small pet, bunch of spots. Normally I do that at no extra charge, just for stains here and there, but there's many. So I did give her, I did have to raise price a little bit on her. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up some undoes it, and go ahead and hit all those areas with that and make it a lot quicker. Also helps with any odor, although I don't smell any odor, but definitely is going to make it a lot quicker putting in the pump up sprayer rather than just walking around with my little spray bottle on each spot. Could you imagine? Take a little while. I get a cramp in my finger, I believe, my thumb and index. But alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I already put down my pre-spray carpet detail, and I'm going to go ahead and scrub with it multi-wash here. Kind of rotating brushes, great for residential. Kind of heavy though, but if I can do it with one hand, come on. Alright, so just finished pre-scrubbing, ran my hose out, vacuum hose out, and ready to start extracting. Customer looked at it and she was like, oh wow. Yeah, I love when that happens. Get done extraction, haven't even cleaned it yet, and they're already impressed. Well, rinsed it yet. But most people think using the wand is actually the cleaning process. No, using the wand is actually just rinsing it. The cleaning process is done before. Let me clarify myself there. The cleaning process is multiple steps, not before. So when you're putting down the pre-spray, it's part of the cleaning process. Scrubbing it, part of it, and the final part of that process is rinsing. Alright? So let me get to rinsing. Alright guys, all finished up. As you can tell, came out beautiful. Yeah, love results like that. So I use carpet detail. I use some Undoes It for this job. Unleash. There's a lot of products that do this. You know, this is just the one that I'm using. That you don't have to let sit for 24 hours or outrageous amount of time and have to come back. You know, that's a big deal for me. Hour dwell time usually is what these are, sometimes less. For odor removal and for stain removal, it's usually immediately. By the time I'm done pre-scrubbing, stains are gone. As you can tell today, that's what happened. Then I have 20 volume peroxide just for spots here and there of any organic. And I have this Woolzyme for wool pet and odor removal. So this stuff here is awesome, guys. If you haven't looked into it, Look into it. It's by Chemex. Chemex.com. Zoom in real close for you. We'll safe product. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, get payment, and call this a wrap. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment. Beautiful day out here in the country. See you next video. Yeah, we're in the country.